Hi everyone. So I'm going to show you how to cure the hiccups since I have the hiccups all of a sudden. And this has worked for everyone that I've tried it with. So I'm going to show you how to do it. You fill a glass of water, take a napkin, any kind of napkin, and cover the top like so. And then you drink through the napkin really slow so it doesn't spill all over you. So here I go. And I think they're gone. That was a hiccup. That was a burp. Yep, they're gone. So there you go. That is the surefire way to cure hiccups. I really have tried this on everybody and it has worked every single time so far. So give it a go when you have the hiccups next time. Thanks.